The 5 best credit cards for beginners in 2023. Are you tired of missing out on the rewards and perks that come with having a credit card? Are you ready to start earning cash back, complimentary travel, and building your credit score? Hey everyone! Welcome to our video on the 5 best credit cards for beginners in 2023. In this video, we'll be sharing the top credit card options available on the market, which rewards are worth taking advantage of, and how you can get started immediately, even if you have no prior credit history. By the end of this video, you'll be on your way to achieving a perfect credit score, earning sign-up bonuses, and getting complimentary travel anywhere in the world, all for $0 out of pocket. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. For more business ideas that will help you become financially independent, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you're just starting out with credit cards or have limited credit history, the Discover It Secured Card is a great option for you. This card is offered by Discover Financial Services and is designed to help you build your credit score while also earning rewards. Here's how it works. You will need to put down a refundable security deposit, and in exchange for that, you will be issued a credit line equal to that deposit. This allows you to build your credit score without needing a credit score to get approved. But that's not all, because this card also offers rewards. You'll be able to earn 2% cash back on gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. This is a great option if you frequently use your credit card to make purchases at gas stations and restaurants. Additionally, you will get a limited 1% cash back on everything else, which is a great way to earn cash back on all your other purchases. And here's the cherry on top. Discover will match all of your rewards in the first year. So, if you spend an average of $1,000 per month, you will get at least $240 back for free. This is a great way to maximize the rewards you can earn on this card. Discover also offers free FICO monitoring tools, which will give you monthly updates to help you track your progress and work your way up to other options. And don't worry about high interest penalties or annual fees, as Discover offers a free secured credit card option. And as long as you pay off your balance in full each month, you'll be able to build your credit score, earn cash back, and get free stuff, all for the cost of nothing. It's a great card for beginners, and it's a great way to start earning rewards while building your credit score. The Capital One Quicksilver Card. The Capital One Quicksilver Card is a great option for beginners or anyone looking for a simple cashback card. Offered by Capital One, this card comes with a host of features and benefits that make it an attractive option for those starting out with credit cards. One of the biggest draws of this card is the sign-up bonus. New card holders can earn a one-time $150 cash bonus after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of card membership. This is an excellent way to quickly earn a bonus just for using the card. Earning rewards is also a breeze with the Capital One Quicksilver Card. Cardholders will earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase, with no limits or rotating categories. This means that you can earn cash back on all your purchases, regardless of the category. Plus, there's no cap on the amount of cash back you can earn, so you can keep earning rewards as you spend. Another great feature of this card is that it does not have an annual fee, which means you can keep earning rewards without having to pay any additional fees. This is especially useful for beginners who are just starting to build their credit and may not want to spend more money on annual fees. Capital One also offers a variety of account management tools that make it easy to keep track of your account and your rewards. You can easily monitor your spending, check your balance, and view your transaction history from your mobile device or computer, making it easy to stay on top of your account. And with 24/7 customer support, you'll have help when you need it. The Citi Double Cash Card. The Citi Double Cash Card is a great option for those who want to earn cash back on all their purchases, no matter the category. This card is offered by Citibank, and it offers a unique cashback program that allows you to earn cash back twice on every purchase you make. With this card, you'll earn 1% cash back when you make a purchase and an additional 1% cash back as you pay for those purchases. This means that you'll earn 2% cash back on every purchase you make, making it easy to earn rewards on all your spending. You don't have to worry about annual fees with this card. There are none, so you can keep earning rewards without having to worry about additional costs. Plus, there are no limits or rotating categories, so you can earn cash back on all your purchases. This card also offers a 0% introductory APR on balance transfers for 18 months from the date of first transfer. This means that if you transfer a balance from a high-interest credit card, you'll be able to pay it off with no interest for 18 months. The Chase Freedom Flex Card. The Chase Freedom Flex Card is a great option for those who want to earn cash back and rewards on all their purchases. This card is offered by Chase Bank, and it offers a range of features and benefits that make it an attractive option for those starting out with credit cards. This card has a very good cashback program. Cardholders will earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in rotating quarterly categories and 1% cash back on all other purchases. Additionally, you'll also earn 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% cash back on dining, and 3% cash back on drugstore purchases. This makes it easy to earn rewards on all your purchases, regardless of the category. There is also the sign-up bonus. New cardholders can earn a $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. This is a great way to quickly earn a bonus just for using the card. The Chase Freedom Flex card also comes with a 0% intro APR on purchases for 15 months from account opening, which means you can make a purchase and pay it off over time without paying any interest. Additionally, this card has no annual fee, so you can keep earning rewards without having to pay any additional fees. The Blue Cash Preferred Card. The Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express is a great option for those who want to earn cash back on everyday purchases. This card is offered by American Express, and it offers a range of features and benefits that make it an attractive option for those starting out with credit cards. One of the best features of this card is the cashback program. Cardholders will earn 6% cash back on up to $6,000 per year in purchases at U.S. supermarkets, 6% cash back on select U.S. streaming subscriptions, 3% cash back on transit and at U.S. gas stations, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. This makes it easy to earn rewards on all your everyday purchases, regardless of the category. Another great feature of this card is the sign-up bonus. New cardholders can earn a $250 statement credit after spending $1,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. This is a great way to quickly earn a bonus just for using the card. The Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express also comes with a 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months from account opening, which means you can make a purchase and pay it off over time without paying any interest. Additionally, this card has a $95 annual fee, but it is waived for the first year. When it comes to credit cards, there are many options to choose from. Each card offers different features and rewards, and it can be overwhelming to know which one to choose. However, if you're just starting out with credit cards or have limited credit history, the Discover It Secured Card, Capital One Quicksilver Card, Citi Double Cash Card, Chase Freedom Flex Card, and the Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express are all great options to consider. Each of these cards offers a great sign-up bonus, cash back on purchases, and other features that make them ideal for beginners. Remember that when you're looking for a credit card, it's important to read the terms and conditions carefully and make sure you understand all the fees and interest rates. And remember to always pay your bill on time and in full each month to avoid interest charges and late fees. Thank you for watching this video on the 5 best credit cards for beginners in 2023. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are also looking for a credit card. And if you're ready to take the next step, click the link in the description below to apply for one of these credit cards and start earning rewards and building your credit today.